In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on Coinbase Advanced. If you're planning to send your crypto to Coinbase, then you will need your wallet address, and it's critical to pick the correct wallet address and network, because if you make a mistake, you will risk losing your funds. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice, and I accept no liability for you losing or sending your crypto to the wrong address. And if in doubt, send a small amount of crypto first. If you don't know what a wallet address is, then it's a string of characters used to send and receive crypto. Each address is unique and varies by cryptocurrency, and will also vary if you pick a different network for sending your funds on. For example, if you send Ethereum to a Bitcoin address, you will risk losing your funds. So you must always pick the correct wallet address for your deposit. So if you want to know how to find your wallet address on Coinbase Advanced, you need to click Deposit in the top right. Then in this drop down, you want to select Receive Crypto. You can then pick the crypto you want to deposit by either scrolling down the list or typing into the search box. I'm going to pick Ethereum. Some cryptocurrencies can be deposited on multiple networks. For example, with Ethereum, there are a number of networks, and it's important to select the same network you are sending your crypto on. If you select the wrong network, then you risk losing your crypto. So I'm going to pick Base as it's one of the quickest. You will now need to read the warning and accept you may lose your crypto if you do something wrong. And once you press I understand, you will now see your wallet address for this specific crypto and network. If you change networks, for example, if I go back and change to Avalanche, you will see a different QR code and address. To copy your address, you can press the button that looks like two sheets of paper to the right of the deposit address. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code above this with a mobile device. If you're transferring crypto for the first time, then it's always recommended to send a small test amount of crypto first, and it's always worth copying the address or using the QR code rather than typing it manually. Anyway, if you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with crypto, then you may be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token, so I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.